Alright guys, so I want to kind of see what's in this fuel filter. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that! What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back and checking out the video. Today we're working on this 1999 Honda CRV. We're going to be replacing the fuel filter. It's going to be super quick, super duper easy. To replace the fuel filter, you're going to need a couple tools. All you need is a 10mm socket, 14mm wrench, and a 17mm wrench. If this video was helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. I really would appreciate it. Now let's get to work. Okay, step one, all we're going to do is get your 17mm wrench, and we're going to pop this top banjo bolt loose. And there's going to be a little bit of fuel that's going to come out. Don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. It's not going to spray in the eye or anything like that. Go and disconnect this guy. Whatever you do, do not use power tools on this. You do not want to use power tools because you will light yourself on fire. Now, if you notice here that there is 2 washers that are in here, okay? You cannot reuse these, or I don't recommend you reusing these, okay? Just stick those to the side. Now, down here at the bottom, you're gonna use your 14mm wrench and just disconnect this line here. Now, they can be kind of stubborn and kind of stuck. Mine are actually pretty loose because someone's been in here before. And just go ahead and twist this guy right out of here. You can see that that guy is now loose, okay? There is a vent hose right here that you might want to disconnect also. It can kind of be in the way. All right, all you gotta do is push on the little tabs that are on the sides and it will disconnect like that. Now get your 10mm wrench, and there's a bolt back here that holds the strap on to the filter itself. Just be careful of the positive battery cable or terminal, and don't let your wrench touch any of this right here or you're gonna have a bad time. And get this 10mm bolt out of here. All right, set her up here in the socket. Then you can take this off. Just pull it towards you. All right. Some guys like to actually take the whole bracket off. I don't really like doing that. Then we can go ahead and disconnect the bottom line. All right, and drop your wrenches on the floor. And then you can just work the filter right off, and there we go, okay? It might be a good thing to have a rag. I really don't care about it. But there you go, there's the filter. All right, so with the new filter, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on getting this line down here threaded in first, because this can be the most difficult part of this. You just, whatever you do, you don't wanna cross thread it. Now I got it started. It's not all the way on there all the way, and I wanna get this back into the bracket here, like so, okay? Then I can go ahead and get the bracket that holds it, stick it back together. Go ahead and tighten that bracket up all the way because it's going to hold your filter in place. All right, got my 2 new washers here. One of them's going to go on the banjo bolt like this. All right, and then we're going to get the fuel line, stick it on here, get the other washer, stick it over here. Just make sure you took all the old ones off, thread it into the new filter. And we'll just hand tighten this guy up, nice and snug. All right. And then we'll go ahead and finish tightening up that bottom fuel line nice and tight. While you got it running, you just want to check out the lines and make sure nothing's leaking or spraying out of it. Everything looks good here. All right, guys, so I want to kind of see what's in this fuel filter. This is the inlet, and this is the outlet right here. So I'm going to go ahead and blow some compressed air right through here and see what kind of, see if we get any dirt out of this thing. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Whoa, wow, look at all the crud that came out of this thing. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope it really was helpful. If it was, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. If you need a filter, again, there'll be a link down below. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend. Later, guys. Ah.